Hi guys, today we are at the most coolest and most premium student housing accommodation located right here in Juhu Avenue by Student Housing. Located on the iconic 10th Road in Juhu, surrounded by celebrity homes and just minutes from NMIMS and Mithibai College and Juhu Beach, you're right in the heart of Mumbai's most vibrant suburb. As you enter the landmark Sri Krishna building, you're greeted by Avenue's sleek branding, dedicated two-wheeler and car parking, and secure access via biometric or QR scan, setting the tone for a safe, modern student experience. As you step inside, a welcoming reception manned 24/7 by a friendly security and admin team with 3 high-speed elevators and thoughtfully designed interiors. Avenue is built to house 200 students across 74 premium rooms. On the first floor, community meet convenience. Enjoy fresh vegetarian and Jain meals prepared daily in our in-house kitchen. From twin sharing to triple quad options, every room is spacious, fully furnished, air-conditioned and features an attached washroom. Clean, well-lit and designed for comfort. Choose from 2, 3 or 4 sharing rooms, all with private attached bathrooms. Need help? Our warm and responsive caretakers are always just a door away. Each floor also has inviting lobbies with bookshelf corners, balcony views and cozy nooks to unwind, especially the 8th and the 9th floors with stunning cityscapes. Right next door, the library and study lounge offers a quiet zone for focused work or late-night group nap. There's also a fully equipped gym with pool views, a recreation zone with foosball and pool tables. And a collaborative lounge for group study or casual hangs. Head to the rooftop for Mumbai's first infinity pool in a student hostel. Swim, lounge or catch golden sunsets from above. Daily laundry, a clean pantry and college drop-offs makes everyday life stress-free and super sorted. Admissions are open to any student enrolled in a Mumbai college, and with 90% of our residents from NMIMS, you'll instantly feel a sense of community. Avenue is part of the student housing network with over 1100 beds and 15 plus premium properties across Juhu, Parle and Andheri. So if you're looking for a student hostel that's modern, secure and filled with energy, your search ends here. Book a tour of Avenue today or DM us to learn more. Student housing where comfort means community.